Hello, I'm Bob Kozicki, North American Training Manager for Crosby. This is our demo truck, our Crosby Demo Truck. This truck, we have 3 of these that are in operation in North America, United States and Canada. We have these regionally distributed to demonstrate our Crosby products, our Crosby brands, Peerless brands, Gunabo brands, to our distributors and end users. We show the application of our products used in rigging, lifting and rigging applications throughout the country, and we use this demo truck to demonstrate how those products apply in real life applications. Okay, now we showed you the truck. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's get it all set up, and we can kind of show you quickly what this truck is able to do. Part of our demo truck demonstration, we talk about the individual components that are used to hook up to our load, to lift our load up. We use load cells, we calculate out the weight, the angular reduction on each angle that we go, 60, 45, and 30. And we also use Crosby shackles. And part of Crosby shackles, one of the requirements of ASME B3026 is that you have to have certain criteria that has to be on there. The manufacturer is required to put certain documentation on there. And one of them is the manufacturer's name. So if it's a Crosby shackle, it's going to say Crosby across the top of it. We also have to have the size indicator as well. This demonstration, this card shows a 1-inch Crosby shackle. Also, a traceability code. That's the PIC code. The PIC code indicates we have traceability back to the point of origin of our manufacturing and where we actually purchase and acquire the steel from, the rod from, where we make the shackles. Also, the working load limit has to be on there as well. So this right here is an 8.5 ton. This is a small T. A small T indicates that it is a metric ton, which is 2,206 pounds per ton, as opposed to a capital T, which is the US ton, which is 2,000 pounds per ton. And then also the pin has to be identified as well. So if it is an A, it's an alloy shackle. If it's a C, it's a carbon-based shackle. And that is what we use to connect our rigging up to our beam down below. Okay, if you would like to see our demo truck actually in service, in action, you can go onto our website, ketocrosby.com. You can go to the training section. You can request a demo truck. You can contact one of our channel partners, one of our distributors. You can request that our demo truck come out to you. There's a lot of features that we go through. We go through the process of rigging. We go through the process of angular lifting. We go through the individual components that are used to attach a sling to a load and how those apply to the lifting and rigging of the load. And then we also have a vertical test bed where we will do a demonstration for you and talk to you about elongation. We'll talk to you about ultimate brake strength. And we're going to do a demonstration for you in person, live, for you and your employees to be able to come out and physically see this and see how our products, our Crosby hooks, are far superior to some of the products that you can get from other manufacturers, from other locations around the world. So if you would like it, please come out, schedule it, and we'd like to join you. Thank you.